Hey YouTube! Hey, for all you Sesame Street fans out there, we're gonna make you the Big Bird today. We're at this place called the Boar's Nest. Have a whole bunch of memorabilia up here.
Nick, what are you doing? Meeting you?
Buying a new car, yeah.
And right there they have some pig screwing.
Where we go? Aren't they legging JP Bobble?
We're outside here at the Boar's Nest. There's a sign. They got a Dukes of Hazzard car coming out of the roof. Pretty awesome place. Here in Darien, Wisconsin. See you later. Hey YouTube, we're back and we're here to make you the Big Bird. And the Big Bird we're going to start off with banana liqueur up to our shot glass line, and then we're going to split the top 50-50. Half pineapple juice, which you can go almost to the big splash line, and then we're going to top it off with orange juice the rest of the way. Very yellow in color, just like Big Bird. So there it is, the Big Bird. See you next time on Backyard Bartender.